So we're here at Food and Wine. Super busy. It is 20 to 8. I'm heading over to Test Track, meet up with the rest of the squad. So we got here, we got our maps.
Oh, our maps, yeah. Got our passport for around the world.
Nice.
And you
stickers,
and you stick them on where, if you've had something from
Fast Track. Sounds a bit like Test Track.
No, it says Taste Track.
That was that was the booth that was near Test Track that wasn't working.
And unfortunately, Test Track is
working.
Closed.
Down.
Down due to technical difficulties.
Okay,
it's the second time we've been here, which is a bit of a shame.
So we're just about to cross over into World Showcase. Are we doing a left or a right?
We can do a right this time.
Oh yes, I love going right.
This is uncharted territory
Breaking
for
the
me.
mold. I don't have a
No, only shooting stars do that.
Some people do.
Right. Are we all happy with right?
Yeah.
You're just along for the ride.
I'm just a passenger.
We're at Hawaii. Pork slider. What do you think?
These are my favourite.
Looks nice, feels good. Gonna go for a little nosh.
This is always
Very
been
nice.
my favourite thing to get in Food and Wine.
Might be too nice.
What's it like?
This is mine and Daisy's one.
Okay.
Pineapple chutney.
Going in.
I'm afraid this will all have to go down in one.
Pretty good.
Really good.
Yeah. Yum.
Just remember last time they were quite difficult to eat, so
Yeah, they're a bit.
need.
Right, the children have been in.
Do you want me to
I've already had a bit. Going in, Trace.
Going in, trying not to eat my
Well,
hair.
put me up. Daisy ate most of mine.
I did not. That's so nice. Really good.
Yeah, pretty good. It's pretty hectic, but it is really good. So that was Hawaii done. So we're in New Zealand.
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Green
Service is really good. Everyone's super friendly. Luke's going in.
Oh, okay, I was just checking if it was
These are green
attached.
lip mussels.
Yeah. Steamed green lip mussels.
Is that okay for one as well?
Yeah.
It's easy to get out, mate.
No. Edit this out in post.
There we go.
Alright. Alright. Can you get me one out, Luke? Can you get me one out?
Oh, this one was fine. Daisy?
A bit tricky, aren't they? You got it?
They're good.
Hmm?
They're good, see it.
Hmm.
Not my favourite.
Yeah, nice.
I can't see what I'm doing.
Just get in there.
Oh, it's ridiculous spillage.
No, I think you're all over it. Yeah, nice. And this is the beef and mushroom.
I don't know what you meant by just have a bite, right? Just take a big...
Yeah, and leave half for the...
That's a big bite.
I'm going to go get some knives.
Tracy's going to get some knives.
I'm still going to do the bite thing.
Mmm. Have you had the steak yet? Daisy?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going in, Daiso.
They're showing the chest there, lovely.
Hmm?
Showing everyone the tattoo.
That's excellent. I would use it like a lolly. Very good. You tried the meat, Luke?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, nice.
What do you think, Trace?
It's really nice.
It's really good.
I think
Yeah. Morocco, Luke's going in for.
I've got.
What's it like?
A bit spicy, good.
Yeah. Nice.
I remember my favourite dog.
You're so pretty.
Actually, yeah, this is well nice.
I'll go get some more serviettes again. I thought we had enough. Oh, it's quite spicy.
Really nice.
God, I've got this. I really want it.
Let's have a go.
Amazing. It's really good.
Is it? It's really yummy. Right, so Tracy's going in.
Actually, open my face.
It's alright, we've all done that. What do you think?
Nice.
It's good. Service is great. Place your order. Tap your band if you're on the dining plan. Queue up a very short amount of time. And they give you food. Everyone's smiling. Everybody's happy. Crowd's pretty hectic, but yeah, all good.
Yeah, the shrimp roll.
Yep. So we're currently in Japan, and that is the shrimp roll that Luke's got.
It's my shrimp roll.
And as head taster, he's going in.
Ooh. I'll tell you what, I've gone with the grip there. It's a bit flimsy. Oh, I've got ice in my food.
You got one, you see? How is it?
Oh,
Good.
really nice.
Look at that.
Try it.
You won't like it.
Can Daisy have a go?
I'm going to retract my statement about it being flimsy. Just as I, like an amateur, fix it to gross.
Can you give us a nibble? Can you hold it for us? I'm coming in for a tiny nibble.
And eat my finger while you're at it.
It's really nice.
There's like 2 stages to it. It starts off and you're like, rice, this is nice. And then it like goes, oh, that's good. Quite spicy. Yeah.
I imagine that'd be like super filling.
I've only got one.
Yeah. Good job, Japan. We found a table, which is the right result. We're in America. Tracy's got a brisket, and this is a lobster roll. Tracy's going in on the brisket. Are you going to go in on the lobster roll?
I might, yeah. I don't want much of the bread though.
Just do what you like. Oh, it's really good on the camera, Trace.
I was watching that. It was like when fish shut windows.
Really difficult. So if I go in from the opposite?
Do whatever you like.
Mum's tactic is to make sure that she can't share that with her.
How is it?
Oh wow, really lovely. Braised brisket.
Nice. Are you trying any of this, Luke?
I don't think I need to, Pete.
You sure?
Pacing myself.
Okay.
Braised brisket.
Try everything.
Try everything.
Whoa.
That's a really attractive shot there, Dad.
I'm not a vain man.
It's good, isn't it? Can I have some on the brisket?
That's really good. Send it.
Comes with some jalapenos on the side, and they're really crunchy.
The jalapenos?
And they go really well with the beef.
Oh, I'm going to put a bit of jalapeno in first.
It went right to the back of my throat
It's really good. Yeah, really, really good. And even nicer because we've got a seat, a bit more chilled out here. Good time. Okay, so we're in China, our last food stop. Daisy's got the
Dumplings, chicken dumplings.
and Tracy's got the duck.
Bao bun.
Bao bun.
I'm not sharing. Sorry, I'm gonna have to get. I need to have a spoon in the cart if I try to roll it.
I see what's happening there. Daisy?
I'm gonna have it up.
How is it, Days?
So good.
Do you want me to go and get you a portion, Luke?
Yeah, do you want a
Because Daisy wanted this. I'm
Oh,
going.
okay, I thought we were doing the share. That's why I didn't ask for a...
Oh, no worries. I'm going to order some.
No, I'll just have this bit.
Sure?
Yeah.
Do you want to try a bit?
Yes, please. How is it, Luke?
Really good.
Yeah? Just a little bit. Yeah, really nice. Found a really good spot to eat it. Tracy's bottled out with eating her bao bun without a knife and fork.
Well, I don't think she took a single bite.
No, so she's gone to get some cutlery. I think you just go for it. Speed.
I'll do one better and roll for it.
That's it. Well done. How is it? Thoughts, Luke?
Very nice.
While you're holding it, could I just come in for a nibble?
Hang on.
Oh, that was the bit I wanted to go for.
My tongue has made
I
contact.
don't care.
Please.
Go on in.
Oh, no, go on in. You are Cheers Ears after all. Disney royalty.
Oh, it's really good. That's dish of the night for me.
Yeah.
That or the Moroccan pockets.
That's got to be it, surely.
That's really good.
I'm sorry, I haven't got any dumpling stuff like.
Oh, I don't think she should be allowed.
I want a tiny little bite. It's the bun that's so. Oh no, it fell out.
Right, she's already ruined the meal.
I can just.
Nicely done.
Can you put that plate somewhere else? Thank you.
There we go. You going in?
Really nice.
Really nice. So we finally managed to get on test track.
Yep, done now.
Food and wine was great. Trying to focus.
We are very out focused.
And that's it. Kids, you all good? That was the
We're leaving.
I'm alright.
and that was that's the last part we're doing for this trip. Tomorrow we're gonna have a nice quiet one, and we're walking out to Illuminations, which is great. But an amazing day. Food and wine was awesome. Yeah, it's been a great day.
It's been lovely, yeah.
So I think we'll sign off for tonight. Cheers, ears.